Okay, everybody, Physics 103, Exam 2, Problem 7. Let's go over Problem 7. A hiker walks 2 miles due north and then 5 miles 30 degrees east to north. Find the resultant displacement and provide a graphical solution. Okay, so let's just go over the diagram. We have a north, south, east, west coordinate system. Our hiker starts out at the origin, walks 2 miles, and then walks another 5 miles at an angle of 30 degrees with the north direction, okay? And the displacement is going to be a vector drawn from the origin to the tip of the final position, okay? Now, to do this, I think the easiest thing to do is to break up this vector into two components, okay, because it certainly has an east component and a north component. This vector is all in the north direction. Okay, so if I take this 5 miles, this vector of 5 miles, and again stick it on another coordinate system, again, it has components of x and y. Okay, its angle with the east direction is actually 60, because we know this angle here is 30, and again, the overall angle is 90, so the sum of these must total to 90, so 60 plus 30 is 90. Again, so let's go ahead and figure out what the component in the east direction is, okay, which we're calling x, okay, so again, that's just going to be 5 miles times the cosine of the angle, the cosine of 60 degrees, okay. Y, the component in the north direction, is just going to be 5 miles, okay, times the sine of 60 degrees, okay. All right, okay, and when I calculate that out, that should give me 2.5 miles east, and this component is going to be 4.33 miles in the north direction. Okay, so let's go ahead and add up all of our components in the north and east direction. Okay, again, in the east direction, we just have this component right here, which is going to be 2.5 miles east. Okay, in the north direction, we've got this first vector here, which is just going to be 2 miles. Okay, and then we've got our y component here, which is 4.33 miles. Okay, when I add up these two, okay, these are going to total to 6.33 miles. Okay, now to find the total displacement, okay, let's go ahead and add the vector sum of this and this. Okay, so this is 6.33 miles here. In the north direction, this is 2.5 miles. Okay, alrighty, so our displacement is just going to be, again, the square root of 2.5 squared plus 6.33 squared. Okay, and when you plug that in your calculator, you're going to get 6.8 miles. Okay, alright, so this distance here is 6.8 miles, and that is the displacement. If you want to know the total distance, is actually a little bit different. Okay, the total distance, because the total distance traveled is not always equal to the displacement. Sometimes it is, but not always. So the total distance is equal to 2 miles plus 5 miles, or is 7 miles. Okay, all right, okay, and again, just a note about doing these kind of problems. It's very helpful to draw out a nice clean, clear diagram, and can really help you kind of talk your way right through the problem and get a correct solution. Okay, thanks.